Hey there, dealing with a really awful cold, so hence the added timbre to my voice. Following our last video, I've cut out the back, cut the fish on the back of the inside of the Seaforth kilt. I've sewn the steeking, the heavy back stitch, which reinforces the bottom of the fell, the sewn portion of the pleats, and also keeps the pleats in alignment so we don't get a sawtooth effect on the bottom. Now the next stage is the canvas. Now I've shown this before, but I have a slightly better way of applying the canvas, which I'll show you now. So I've got my standard strip, which is always 5 inches long. I line up the edge, it's about an inch, about a thumb in from the end. I'm just going to pin that in place. Pick these pins up with my fingers. I'm a little clumsy today. I'm going to pin it again there and there. Looks like I'm going to need some more pins in a minute. Here, I got some more. I'm good. So now we deal with the radius. So what I'm going to do is bring it down. I fold it over. I bring it down, I fold it over, I bring it to the end. Now here, as I said, we have the edge of the fish, and then we have the flap where the buttonhole is. So the canvas has to come to this point. So fortunately, I can feel that edge. So I'm just going to reach over, grab a piece of chalk. I can feel that edge. I'm going to draw that edge, as we see. And then I always use a backing piece because I'm constantly worried about cutting the work with my scissors. So I got a backing piece. I cut the canvas. Put my scissors away. Now this is this isn't quite slightly too long, but I line it up a little bit. Now it's well into the canvas like that. See, like so. A couple of more pins. 1, 2. Now this has achieved a number of things. One of them is, you see we have a little bit of an overlap here. It's not going to gape open when the kilt's done up. And this will provide the finished appearance when we put in the lining. So sometimes after having done this, you might have to change these. Like this one needs a little bit of a change, I think. I'll pull that out. Smooth it down again. Pull that out, smooth it down again. And now I'm going to chalk to sew it. So there's my last pleat. Mark it there. My measuring tape seems to have gone bye-bye, so 2.5 inches is about the length of that finger. Yep, good old metric hand. So that's the center line of the strap and the buckle. And these are just guiding marks. They don't have to be screamingly accurate. They're just to help me keep sewing in a straight line. So there we are. The next stage is a herringbone stitch, which is going to go back and forth in this horizontal direction. Sometimes I see a herringbone stitch done vertically. That's wrong because we want the herringbone will stretch in one direction, not the other. So a horizontal herringbone stitch, which will give us the required amount of give. And that'll be the subject of the next video. Thank you.